In this video I will show you how to check crash logs in Windows and why your PC crashed using Windows inbuilt tools called Event Viewer. The Event Viewer is a utility that logs all significant events on your PC, including system errors and crashes. For this, go to Search and type Event Viewer and then select Event Viewer from the list. In the left pane, expand Windows Logs. Click on System. Just wait for System Log to load all the events. This view lists all system-related events, which is where you'll find crash details. You need to look for events that mark an improper shutdown, which we have to look through an event. For this, in the right pane, click on Filter Current Log. Under Event Level, check Critical and Error. Then select Logged by Anytime dropdown. Then click on OK button. Scroll through the filtered log, paying close attention to the date and time of the crash. Then you can read detail about the crash here. You can also search that event in Google to find more about it as shown here. Now let's look at popular error log. For this we need Evented. For this, click on Filter Current Log again. Then under Event ID put 41 and click on OK. This is the most important log after an unexpected shutdown. It indicates the system rebooted without cleanly shutting down first. You can also search for 6008. This confirms that the previous shutdown was unexpected. You can check the date when this was happened. You can also check Event ID 1001. This is the explicit BSOD event and may contain the stop code and the file name of the problematic driver. In this way we can check crashes and shutdown logs in Windows PC with inbuilt Event Viewer tools. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.